Hey, what's going on?
Hi, how are you?
Good, I'm doing great. I know you came from the text blast that we sent out, uh,
Mm-hmm.
where we're doing an offer where it's if you commit to 4 months, you get a month for free. So, I went through all the questions that you submitted through the calendar. I like to get straight to the chase because I don't want to waste any of your time. But I went through what you're doing right now, and I think you'd be a great fit. I just need to ask a couple questions first and then see where we go from there, okay?
Okay.
So right now, the med spa, like what are your best selling services right now? Because we work with a lot of med spas. Like we do hydrofacial, Botox, like laser hair removal. We have a ton. So I just want to know for SOP reasons, like what are your best selling services?
So what we do the most is body contouring. We do have
Okay, cool.
facials as well and all that, but I think body contouring is what we concentrate the most.
Are you currently running ads right now on Google and Facebook or just one traffic source? And how much are you spending a day?
No, we're doing $1,000 a month on ad spend, and the strategy of the marketing company that I have right now has been like cheap offers, like $79 trial session is what we've been doing.
So the just to give you an example, like body contouring versus let's say NAD or a hydrofacial, like we run a lot of $99 ones, but we have a good
Mm-hmm.
sales process. So
Mm-hmm.
like it's not just cheapening it, it's increasing the touch points and the lead nurtures and the emails and SMS and attaching a setter and all these things to it that actually make the sales process churn. Um,
Mm-hmm.
I work with one med spa right now and I can show you. So like this is one of them that we do work with right now. And
Mm-hmm.
we're running ads for like every single service from Botox to like the body contouring, IV therapy, laser hair. Like we run campaigns for every single one and they have 4 locations. When they first started working with us, they were at two. And then we introduced them to somebody that I knew that does like private equity. And then they bolted onto him. And then they had enough money to where they opened 2 locations pretty quick. So I've
Okay.
been working with them for about like 8 to 12 months now.
Okay.
So we've been running ads for every single one of the services. And
And
then
the
like
strategy is mostly doing like what do you do for Botox, for example? Just like low
we do the
unit of
1099 per unit, and that's the
okay.
angle in the ads.
What market is that at, if you don't mind me asking?
This is in Miami. So I was going to show you some examples of like cost per leads
Oh,
that we have
really?
right
On
now.
Miami, and you do well with that 1099 offer?
Yeah. So we have Botox, facial NAD. Here's the this was the last reporting that one of my senior advisors sent in the chat yesterday. But Botox, we get $27 a lead, facial, $21 a lead, NAD, $12 a lead, Botox in the Gables location, $36 a lead. So, I mean, these are all the breakdowns, but they spend about 1,200 bucks a day in ads right now across all their locations. But that's because they have 4 locations. So don't let that freak you out. But yeah, I mean, they have
Yeah.
a lot of locations. That's fine.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, we're also running Google too. So Google, we started and we're getting about $22 to $34 per conversion. So it's not bad. Like Google and Facebook are now working together. But it's a competitive keyword on Google. So, we know how to bypass that because we're a Google partner. A lot of
Mhm.
people will put this Google partner stuff on their website, and to be honest, it's never really real because you have to spend 25 million on their platform to get a Google partner badge. That's what they
Mhm.
don't want to tell you. But we spent
Mhm.
25 million on Facebook, 25 million on Google, and we've been able to have that reputation in the space for a while. Assuming you came from our text list, you are probably familiar with what we do. Should be at least.
So to tell you, I actually didn't have an interview before with your team, so this is
Okay.
my first encounter.
Okay. So you want to go from
I
so
have one location, which is in
okay.
Davenport, Florida, and the goal would be, yes, we are planning about expansion, but I feel like even this one, I still have a lot of room to grow, and I didn't want to dip in on the second location before I'm like fully
Yeah.
ingrained
I mean,
on
each
this one.
each location from med spas that I've either been like a consultant of or have done for you services, like each location should be able to do about like 90 to 150K a month before you start seeing some like capacity issues.
Yeah, so
Difference
that's
how big?
I
Yeah.
am right now. I have two suites, so I have one esthetician and then one injector, and we're doing anywhere from it's still kind of varying, but it typically ranges from the high 50s to 80. So that's what we're at right now, and that's with $1,000 ad spend.
Okay. So just to make sure I'm clear about this though, I know you might be trying to raise your budget now if you want to work with us, but it says in the form of investing 2 to 5K a month, you said yes. So I mean that's a lot more than what you're used to spending. Is that still the case?
Yeah, like
Okay.
I think to begin with, I probably feel more comfortable with 2K if that is something that it's acceptable.
Yeah, $50 a day is what we do recommend. Obviously, that's not
Yeah.
including like our service fee. And
Hmm.
that's where the whole free month comes into play about our offer. And I've been on three of these calls already. Everyone's enjoyed it and they've all signed up. So I don't have an issue with like, I don't think you're
And
gonna
your
have an issue with it.
service fee, it's like a done for you service. So you'll like
Yes.
nurture the leads and take all
Literally,
everything.
we do everything for you from the landing page to the ads, the targeting to the custom images to video scripts that we send you. If you want to get videos recorded, you make them, we edit them. Like it's very much done for you. I would say it's 95% done for you. You just got to collaborate with a couple of assets in the beginning of onboarding.
What are the assets?
It would be, giving us go high level access, filling
Oh,
out some onboarding forms, giving us
yeah.
Facebook ad accounts. If you have people in the office who can film videos,
Yeah.
30-second videos bi-weekly, like it's not that much of a time commitment. And then you're getting weekly
Yeah.
reports from our team. The service fee,
Do you provide like scripting, for example? Like we do are
mhm.
pretty active. You saw the account if you saw it on
Yeah.
Instagram. Like we're fairly active.
Yeah, I love
Um,
it. Yeah, no, I saw the Instagram and everything, even the Facebook page too. We send you video scripts. So you're going to be designated to a GMM, who's our growth marketing manager, who has a team of 5 people around them that are going to be managing your account. So
and then the
they'll fill
appointments
the
you guys
script.
book it and then send them over.
They will get lead nurtured. So that will be something that I'll present to you, and you can tell me yes or no if you want it or not. But I have to
Okay.
go, like I gotta at least get you in the service fee first, and then I can say, hey, listen, here's our AI appointment center. It's not that expensive, but I don't want to pile a ton on you right now. I don't want to overwhelm you. Um, but yeah. So the way that we do the 4 month commitment is
Hmm.
every single month, okay, is 2,500 bucks. But you pay in full and you get the month for free. So you pay $7,500 on the call today for the 4 months instead of $2,500 a month for 4 months. You're paying 10K or you pay 7,500 one time and you get the month for free.
Okay. And then the ad spend will go month by month. Is that pretty
The
much how
ad
it goes?
spend gets charged on your card just like it does now. There's nothing that we get from the ad spend that
Mhm.
all goes to the advertising platform because of the tax write-off. So that's going to
And
be
that's pretty much Facebook and Instagram.
Facebook and Instagram are owned by Meta, so that's one traffic source.
Uh-huh.
If you want
So
to go
that
50, yeah, $50 a day on Facebook, we would take that extra 25 bucks a day and start ramping up Google too. I want to keep your omnipresence because I don't want to
I
just,
was gonna say, yeah, that was my doubt. So that budget will kind of be divided between the two for now.
yes, it'll get divided between the two. And then as we see proven KPIs, then we will start to increase your spend with your approval. So if you start saying to us, hey, listen, this Botox offer is doing well, this hydrofacial one's doing well. Hey, raise the spend. Okay, we will raise the spend.
And how many services do you do?
It's up to 3 per location for that. So if it's hydrofacial, because that's the way that we structure with every single med spa, because they have so many services. So we'll push about three to five-ish, because you have to wait for creatives to come out.
My equipment is not a hydrofacial per se. Like we have something called Premi Dermafacial, which is the equivalent. It's even superior to the hydrofacial,
Yeah.
but it's a different name, brand name.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. I mean, as long as the benefits and the offer are good, then it'll
Hmm.
sell it regardless. But I'm more focused on making sure that your offers are dialed in, your graphics are on brand, and obviously the copy's good, and making sure that the tracking and your whole CRM and ecosystem is actually ready for the leads.
Okay, and then how do we do the touch points as far as like how do we see how we're doing? How do we
That's
check
going to
the
be inside of
ads?
you're going to have a Slack channel. So just like
Uh-huh.
I showed you when I shared my screen, when I was showing you the stats of those campaigns, that's
Yeah,
our
we're familiar with that now. We have high level with the other company that we're
perfect.
using now.
So we have Slack where we have, our team communicating with you. You can also add your team members, any partners that you have to the call, to not to the call, but to the chat as well. And that's all just done in real time.
So once we decide, okay, I like it, I want to do the 4 months and whatnot, then we'll go to talk about, how they're going to be the leads and whatnot.
That's done during your onboarding. And that's a thing that has to be decided on this call, like I stressed on the forum. But yes, it's only on this call.
But I want to know, the only thing is like, I don't have the manpower to do the leads right now. Like the other marketing company that I have, they do everything and they just send us like, this is the appointment time.
Yeah, that would be done through GHL. So the lead
Uh-huh.
nurture and everything, that's done through the automation. That's already pre-done through the automation. So it's going to be a landing page. They can opt into the offer on there and then get sent to the appointment. They're not giving you that appointment time. That's just automated. That's just done. That's done by the GHL platform.
Got it. Well, they do have like phone people that talk to the leads and whatever.
That's interesting. I mean, how much are you paying a month?
$1,000.
I mean, that doesn't make any sense. That's definitely weird. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I have mostly US staff. So, we just have like higher retention rates because we have US staff. I don't use a lot of international people because
So
that's
what is your appointment setting
that is an
charges?
yeah, so that's an AI setter that we've trained that is voice cloned to the exact niche and industry that you're in. And it's just an extra 297 a month. And we set it up so that it calls the leads for you. And there's no like commissions being paid. It's just like literally it does triple dialing. Like it will go all day. It makes 100 calls every second. It can call all your leads simultaneously. So it's like it's more scalable than having people.
Okay, we can go ahead and give it a try.
Okay. What I'll do is I will grab you the link. I know you're on your phone here, but I'm going to
Mm-hmm.
send you a link so you can just click it to make the payment, and then I will go over the service agreement. It's nothing crazy, it's just a regular contract agreement, but I just need something signed for accounting. Yeah, the AI, that setter thing is crazy. Like we just fixed all these automations and all of it, and it's like it did 700 dials for a client today. Got because the 700 dials are triple dials. So technically it's 200 calls. It got 18 pickups and booked 6 people. And it's all just done automated. Like it's freaking wild. And it fits all the compliance. It even makes calls on Saturdays in the morning as long as the legality is there. Like it's insane. So everybody's loving it right now. So it's great. Okay, let me drop this link here. Okay, so there is the payment link. So you just use that link on the bottom of Zoom. While you're filling that out, I got to get this stuff done and then we will be good. I'll get you all your onboarding and stuff too. Also, what I'll do is as like an add-on is you have your website here and I would like to have my guy on my team like redo some of your SEO metadata because your SEO organically could be better. Yeah, I'd love to have him come in and like just fix up the SEO metadata for sure and it'll help you out a ton.
That's awesome. I'll take any help I can get.
Yeah. I mean, especially with, being in Davenport, I don't know how many med spas are near you, but there's probably not like a crazy amount of competition in Davenport. I might be wrong, but usually like Miami.
There are smaller spas,
Hmm.
but there's nothing really like a full like us. Like there's a lot of physicians that still split their practices and they inject. There is a next door to me. There is one that does body contouring primarily, so they do cryo, everything that's cool, and everything that we do it's hot body contouring. And we have a lot of patients that overflow after they don't like what they do and then they come. The reason I'm going to you is like I do acknowledge that we're not as brand recognized in the area yet as I would like.
And also, congrats. I appreciate you obviously seeing the offer and hopping on. Um, yeah, a lot of people are liking the whole free month, so it's good.
It's always that nervousness. Like there's a lot of money that you end up wasting in marketing sometimes when
Mhm.
things are not as productive as you would like them to be and the ROI is suboptimal. So it just definitely makes me very nervous. So I do probably will
You
need the
may-
AI
yeah.
lead nurturing for sure.
Yes. Yeah. I mean, you can tell me, hey, I want the 297 a month. You can tell me now. I don't know if you still want to add the AI setter, but I can get that done for you in like a couple of days. It doesn't take me long.
I
Uh,
do need an AI setup because I don't
okay.
have enough manpower physically to be able
Okay.
to handle the leads now.
So
And
yeah,
we're not, the staff is not used to it.
okay. So we'll hook that up for you. That will be done during onboarding. And then yeah, like we'll take good care of you. We have a lot of data in this niche, so I'm not concerned about your results and whatnot. Just when you come in, the team's been really awesome, and I've been able to build this awesome team, and I think you're gonna really enjoy the team you're gonna be working with.
If at the end or during the process of the 4 months or whatnot, do you want to like not continue? How does it work?
You just have to basically let us know 7 days prior to the billing cycle once that 4 months is completed. If you don't want to continue to 4 months, then you just say, hey, listen, that's 7 days before the fifth billing date. That will be on the top of the agreement.
So we will start charging on
It will
whatever.
start, it will start your 4 months on the day of onboarding. And I'm gonna add in the SEO part for you here on my side for the team so that they can do that.
And do you collect a deposit on those offers when they sell?
They come through, yes, but someone will obviously call them to get them on the calendar, and then the deposit would be closed. But I mean, at scale, your cost per acquisition goes up at scale, so you're gonna want someone to call. Like, here's the thing: is that the AI setter is gonna help you out a ton, right? And that's great. But at the same time, it's there for you to have an extra touch point, so you're not using personal human manpower. And then
Yeah.
from there, if you need to find somebody to bring into the business, they can come into a literally like a filtrated pipeline to where their calls are easy deposit close. And that's
Okay.
something where you could find someone on like Upwork or and I can send you like a whole entire job description and whatnot. And you can just find someone on Upwork for like 500 bucks a month, 750 a month to call the leads manually and pick up the deposits. I mean, an appointment setter that's a person isn't going to cost you that much money unless they're in-house United States based. Then it's going to cost.
Hmm.
I mean, I have two setters that help me with like our event business that we have because we also run like marketing events around the country. We have them call leads to do like getting a high show rate for the events that we run, and they call, and like that's something where you're going to need a personal touch where there's a card being collected, and also with legalities and whatnot depending on the state, there's things where you can't collect certain deposits with a robot. Like there's certain legality in it, but overall it helps get an extra touch point and get them to go on the counter and get them inside of the sales process. And that's the best part, is that we don't have time to do all that. Like you're already busy. So it's this thing where it's going to help you filtrate out a ton. All right. So I just pushed that through. You should get a text and an email shortly. And that's going to be for your onboarding. It's going to be a custom link for you to go fill out some information. And then for that AI setter, some people prefer this. This is up to you. Do you have a certain name in mind that you would want to use as a setter? We recommend Kim and Camila. Those have the highest conversion rates. So you could tell me if you don't like those names, but that's what I.
Camila is nice. Yeah,
Okay,
we can do
cool.
Camila.
And then for that 297, is it okay if I use the same card on file, or do you want to use a separate card?
You can use that one.
Okay. All right. I'll push that through in a little bit. I want to make sure you get your onboarding stuff. So check your email and let me know. I replied to our calendar invite. Let me know if you see a link there that says jasonwojoadvertising.com with a bunch of stuff on the end that's custom to you. Let me know if you got that link.
Yeah, that one I got.
Okay, cool. That's where you're going to start your onboarding. So you can't use any of the link. It's got to be that because that's obviously systemized to your information, your phone number, your email. So go through that link. I got your agreement. I signed my portion. It also should have sent you a copy too. You have your receipt. And then I will see you once you're during your onboarding. And then I'll make sure that I confirm with you once your setter is done. It will connect your Go High Level account and then you'll be all set.
All right, sounds awesome.
Okay. I
Thank you.
appreciate you. Thank you and have a good night. Congrats.
You too.
All
Bye
right.
bye. Thank you.